Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use OpenProject, optimize task management, and team collaboration. Now first things first is go to openproject.com and log in to your account. After that, you will be directed here. So first, what is this Open Project? Open Project is a powerful open source project management tool designed for agile, scrum, and traditional workflows. It helps teams collaborate on tasks, timelines, budgets, and deliverables. So first is we're here on home. So here on your home, it is your main dashboard, likely with a welcome message and links to recent items. You can see here your welcome to project, open project, the projects, new features, and many more. Next, on my page, this is your personal space showing tasks assigned to you, upcoming deadlines, or a customized widget view. As you can see here, your work package assigned to me, work packages created by me. And here is the list. Now on projects. This is where all projects folder are listed. You can view, create by clicking on this project button or switch between projects here. For example, on status, you can see here that it is on track. You can click on its name and you can change its status. You can add description, add member, and you can see here some metrics. Now, you can see here also your active projects, my projects, favorite projects, archive projects, and the status of your project. Now, on the activity, it is a project-wide feed showing recent changes. Wait, it is loading up. Let's just refresh it. Now here on activity, so there is an error. I will just explain what is the use of it. It is a project-wide feed showing recent changes like new tasks, comments, status updates, etc. Now let's go back. Here on work packages. Work packages this is your task manager. You can see here all of your tasks, latest activity, recently created, overdue, created by me, assigned to me, share with users, and share with me. So basically, you can see here all of your tasks, and here you'll create and manage tasks, bugs, features, and more. Now next here on Gantt charts. Here, a visual timeline view useful for planning and scheduling tasks with drag and drop dates and dependencies. For example, this one. You have all of the projects here, and you can click on this one to create a new one like task, milestone, summary task, feature, epic, user story, or bug. Now let's go back. We're here now on the team planners. Now, it is a people-focused calendar showing who is working on what and when. It helps avoid overbooking team members. You can add one by clicking on this green button. Now here on boards. It is an agile style Kanban boards. You can move tasks through statuses like to do, doing, and done. You can see here the name, the project, the type, and when was it created. Now to create one, click on this green button again. Now, on meetings. You can organize team meetings here, attach agendas, write minutes, and track follow-ups. You can add one by clicking on this green button. A one-time meeting, a recurring meeting, or a classic meeting. You can see here all of your meetings, recurring meetings, and my meetings, and other things. Now lastly, here on news. Here on news, post announcements, updates, or important notes to keep your team informed, like these examples. And that's basically it.